Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel VD Kitchen House. How are you all? I hope you all are good. You can see here I am cutting the some of vegetables. It's all put together into the paneer chilli. Yeah, today I am going to make a very delicious and spicy paneer chilli. Then watch the video till end and like the video, share the video and comment down how's the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And then let me show you how to make it. First we should take one bowl and add a 200 grams of paneer. And then add a half teaspoon of salt. Then add a half teaspoon of chili powder. Add a 1 pinch of turmeric powder. And mix it everything together nicely. After mixing, you have to fry it. Add a 3 teaspoon of ghee. Add a paneer into the kadai. And we should gently fry it. After frying this, keep it aside. After that, put a kadai and add a 3 teaspoon of coconut oil. Make sure the oil is boiled. Add a 1 onion. Add a 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Add a 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. And mix it well. Mix it well, it till turning a golden brown color. After that, add a 1 teaspoon of chilli. Add 1 tomato. Add a 1 pinch of chili powder. Boil it for 5 minutes. After boiling, add a 3 sauces here. 1 pinch of soya sauce, half teaspoon of red chili sauce. After that, add a 3 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. And mix it well. Add a little bit water for boiling. It will slowly turning into the thick and thin sauce. You can see here. Add a little bit mint leaves. And boil it for 5 minutes. After boiling, add a fried paneer. and again mix it. Add a little bit dissolved cornflour. You can see here the delicious paneer chilies. Add a little bit coriander leaves. Guys, you can see here the sauce has been completely changed better. Mix it well combined with the sauce. Here is ready to eat a paneer chili. Thank you for watching.